Hello, my beautiful friends. Also, while I was in Chicago, got my Goddess Provisions box. So, I did open it, but I didn't look in it. The card says Embrace Transformation. And I have no idea what's in the box, but that's the card. Alright, what do we have? Here we have a box with, Fire of Transformation. I believe these are incense sticks. I have lavender ones upstairs, so these are cool. Cardamom, juniper, saldupe, and lemongrass. 40 incense sticks. That's what that is. We have this long cloth. No idea what this is. Let's see. If I can get the string off. Can I get the string off? There we go. String is off. Oh, it's the lunar calendar. Well, that's very cool for next year, for 2024. That's very cool. Let's see, we have Ethereal Embers, Magic, Color Magic, My Practice. Oh, you put this in a fire. It makes your fire colorful. Just interesting. I'll use that on Samhain. We have Oxygen Spice, Cocoa. And then we have something in the thing. Mystical Musings Divination Diary. Made with vegan leather and quartz crystal. These pages are filled with magic, the bag says. Of course they're filled with magic. I can't get the bag open. But we know that this is just the way I roll. Good grief. After this video is going to be me taking the bag off this. Oh, that's cool. You see that crystal there? That's cool, and it's a little journal. Y'all know how much BRG loves her books. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. And then there is a crystal. Not sure what kind, but I'll read it real quick. That's a beautiful journal. It's got the moon phases in it. I don't know if you can see. That's cool. So you write in your journal and you get inspired by the fire, your incense. I am loving this box. This is very cool. Alright, let's see what the book says. Seed of Creation Lunar Calendar. That was the thing. Stupa Incense Fire of Transformation. Short stick incense. Ethereal Embers. Just the stuff you put in fire. Mystical Musings Divination Diary. The crystal was hematite. And Aura Cacao or Elements Truffles Hot Chocolate. Ah. What a gorgeous box. I am excited to use this box because I like hot chocolate and I love notebooks. I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.